Mahabheda Mudra Alternative 2. Sitting position. You should sit in Uttana Padasana, stretched leg pose, as described in alternative method 2 of Mahamudra. Technique. Sit in Uttana Padasana with the left leg folded and the right leg straight. Place your hands on the right knee. Open your eyes. Hold the back straight but relaxed. Exhale deeply. Bend the head forwards. Fix the awareness at Mooladhara Chakra. Repeat mentally Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. The first round starts here. With Ujjayi inhalation, let your awareness ascend the frontal pranic passage in the way already described for alternative method 1. Raise your head as you pass from Vishuddhi to Bindu. Repeat Bindu 3 times mentally. Then with Ujjayi exhalation, descend the spinal Avarohan passage with awareness of the chakras en route. Do Unmani Mudra with descent. Exhalation should be completed by the time your awareness reaches Mooladhara. Hold your breath. Fix awareness at Mooladhara chakra. Repeat mentally Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. Then bend the head forwards and do Jalandhara Bandha. Bend forwards and grasp the toes of the extended right foot with both hands. Do Moola Bandha, Udhyana Bandha, and then Nasikagra Drishti. Continue to hold the breath. Say mentally Nasikagra, Udhyana, Mool. Simultaneously, your awareness should move through the seats of these practices. Do 3 to 12 rotations according to your ability to retain the breath without any strain. Then release Nasikagra Drishti, Moola Bandha, Udhyana Bandha, and Jalandhara Bandha one after the other. Keep your head leaning forwards. Raise the back to the upright position. Place 2 hands on the right knee again. Fix awareness at the Mooladhara chakra. This is the end of one round. The complete process. Immediately start the second round. Raise your awareness. Immediately start the next round. Raise your awareness through the frontal passage with Ujjayi inhalation. Do 4 complete rounds. Then change the sitting position so that the left leg is straight and the right leg folded under the buttocks. Ensure that the side of the right heel presses firmly against the Mooladhara chakra area. Do 4 more complete rounds. Then sit so that both legs are straight in front of the body. Do 4 more rounds. This gives a total 12 rounds, which is the end of Mahabheda Alternative Method 2. Note, after finishing 4 rounds in each pose, you should raise awareness to the Bindu. Repeat the Bindu mantra. Descend to Mooladhara. Repeat the Mooladhara mantra and then relax. Awareness. During the practice of this Kriya, you should be aware of the following. 1. The flow of prana through Arohan and Avarohan passages in the chakras and kshetrams in turn. Mental repetition of Mooladhara, Bindu, Nasikagra, Udhyana, and Mool mantras. Movement of head and eyes. Number of rotations completed. Both Mahamudra and Mahabheda Mudra are strenuous practices, especially in the beginning. If you wish, you can take a short rest just after Mahamudra before starting Mahabheda Mudra. During this short rest, say 1 or 2 minutes, you should close your eyes and fix your awareness on breathing.